Temperatures across northeast Kansas are in the 70s and 80s right now, while our dew points are in the 70s, so making for a hot and humid start to your day. Current wind speeds between around 5 and 15 miles per hour from the south, pumping that warm air in. From your Midland exterior sky cam in downtown Topeka, we are seeing some cloudy conditions, but we will start to see those clouds clear as we go throughout our afternoon. And I do want to give you the first alert that we will see shower and storm chances today as we go through our late afternoon into the evening and overnight hours, and those will be scattered in coverage at times, but it is likely 30 to 50% chance in coverage at most. Hail, wind, and tornado threat with these storms from, again, the late evening into the overnight hours. And as you can see, this convective system, what we call a convective system, moves through the area between around 7 and around midnight, and that will pack a punch as it moves towards the east, bringing us some severe weather with all of those hazards. And then we could see a storm or two maybe tomorrow afternoon. We have been upgraded to an enhanced 3 out of 5 risk for severe weather, which entails the possibility for large hail, damaging winds, and 1 or 2 tornadoes now added with that risk. Right now, we don't have a first alert weather day, but it is very likely we upgrade today to one, and we do have between around a quarter of an inch to 3.5 inches of rain that will be possible with this line of storms. I also want to give you the first alert that we will see dangerous heat and humidity as we go throughout tomorrow for feels like temperatures between around 105 to 110 degrees. And so you need to take extra precautions for that heat. It also will be very muggy, which will cause those temperatures to feel like they are in the triple digits for the next couple days. I also want to give you another first alert that we will see shower and storm chances at least return by Wednesday. Our next biggest chance for severe weather is on Wednesday with a cold front that moves through, and that could bring some strong to severe storms with it. Timing is still uncertain though, but overall we are thinking Wednesday for that. Today's forecast, we will be in the 80s and the 90s with mostly cloudy skies. Tonight, we will be in the 60s and 70s with storms opportunities with that line of storms or that system of storms moving through. And then Tuesday, we will be in the 90s with those dangerous heat index values with mostly sunny skies, but the opportunity for maybe a few storms in the afternoon. 8-day forecast overall, we will see temperatures in the 80s and 90s, upper 80s at that through at least the end of the week before we cool down going into next week.